Today I'm reviewing Constant Contact, an email marketing platform that's been around for a while and is aimed mostly at small businesses, nonprofits, and entrepreneurs. As soon as you land on the homepage, you're greeted with a clean layout and a big push toward starting a free trial. The onboarding process is smooth, they don't overwhelm you with options, and the site guides you step by step. After creating an account, you can immediately import contacts, either manually or from a file. The system checks for formatting issues, which is helpful, but it can be a little slow when dealing with larger lists. The dashboard itself is straightforward, with tabs for campaigns, contacts, reporting, and integrations. I found the campaign creation tools decent, drag and drop features work well, and there's a wide selection of email templates. However, many of them feel a bit outdated. If you're looking for a modern or minimalistic design, you might find yourself spending more time customizing than expected. Automation tools are available, but they're not as advanced as competitors like ActiveCampaign or MailChimp. You can create basic flows, like welcome sequences or birthday messages, but anything more complex requires workarounds or manual steps. On the positive side, integration with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce is fairly seamless, and it tracks sales generated from your campaigns. Many useful links you can find in the description. One frustrating thing I noticed is that Constant Contact isn't as transparent with pricing as it should be. The plans scale with your contact list, and some features, like SMS marketing or social media scheduling, are locked behind higher tiers. There's also a noticeable upsell push, and some features labeled included during sign-up and up as paid add-ons. Reporting and analytics are decent. You can track open rates, click-throughs, and bounces easily, but A/B testing options are extremely limited. You can only test subject lines, which feels underwhelming compared to what's available elsewhere. Support is a strong point. I tested both chat and phone options and got quick, helpful responses each time. There's also a decent knowledge base with guides and tutorials. However, expect to rely on support if you're doing anything beyond basic campaigns, because the UI lacks in-depth explanations for more advanced features. In terms of value for money, it depends on what you need. If you're running a local business and need something easy for sending regular newsletters, Constant Contact could work well. But if you're scaling or need advanced automation and segmentation, there are more powerful and cost-effective platforms out there. Overall, Constant Contact is functional but feels dated in places. It's simple to use, which is great for beginners, but limited in flexibility for advanced users. If you prioritize ease over customization, it's worth trying out. But for users with complex workflows or multi-channel needs, it might not be the best long-term fit. If this review helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest tech reviews.